Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I've been framed. So that is just a cute introduction way to say we are working currently on I'm trying to get this where it shows up in the picture, but trying to work on our selfie station. So this weekend is our Halloween party. It's an annual tradition. We invite a bunch of folks over. We have a good time. And one of the things that we do is we set up what we consider a selfie station. So a few years back when the grandkids were a little bit younger, or we just started having grandkids, I bought a Canon 4x6 printer, and literally it just prints 4x6 photo size pictures. Does a really nice job. I found it, happened to be watching HSN one day. They had it. Was a good price, liked it, did it, bought it, all that to be said that now when the kids send us pictures for the grandkids and that, it's something we're able to just pull out, print a couple of copies if we want, and update the walls and that in the house because we have like a whole collage of our family up and down the hallway. And so it's a way we always have some good pictures and recent pictures of the grandkids. That said, a couple of years ago when we did our first Halloween party, I came up with the idea that it would really be cool to do a selfie station and for all of our party participants to have a walkaway, have something in hand at the end of the party. So what we did was I went to, I believe, Joann Fabrics, found this frame, and bought it. It's just a simple plain white frame. That's exactly what I wanted. Sorry, I jumped off camera. And we wanted something big enough for 2 people or 3 people to be in the frame. This is about a 40-inch by 28-inch frame. Threw everything else away. We didn't want the cardboard. We didn't want anything else because all we needed was just the frame itself. That said, I ended up going to True Value and buying these little pipe pieces to put on the back of the frame. And we ended up buying the backdrop station with the 2 tripods off of Amazon. It was like $35, maybe 40. It wasn't all that expensive. I thought it would be a lot more. And it holds, that particular stand will hold up to like 50 pounds or 75 pounds. And we knew our frames would never weigh that. So with that said, we bought the tripod stands, we bought that station, bought the frame, and then what we do is we go through and go to the Dollar Tree because we're cheap, right? And just buy some cute embellishments to put on this frame every year for Halloween. And one of the things that we like to do is always buy something that will allow us to write the year. And this one says 2023. So when we take the picture, this stuff is in the picture, but at the same time, folks get an idea of a remembrance of when it was. So with that said, we bought this pumpkin this year that we thought was cute, and all I do is actually literally take my staple gun and staple this to the frame. Come back, we bought this hat I'd already shown you, wrote 2023 on there. And then I bought this creepy spider that I thought was just really cool. And again, it's just, it's Halloween. It's not meant to be any big shakes, but it's meant to be something cute that they have walking away from the Halloween party. So with that said, I am going to stop the video for a minute. The world of magic is going to happen. I'll staple all this stuff down, show you kind of what it looks like after. And then we'll catch up and make some closing comments. All right, so we're back. And through the magic of YouTube, television, video recording, whatever you want to say, the selfie frame is almost complete. So here is what the frame ultimately looks like. So let me see if I can zoom out. You can get to see the whole big picture. So this is what the frame looks like when we're done. And so just a few cute things in that on there. The one thing that we did end up finding is this really cute Halloween ribbon. And so it's only a couple of yards of ribbon. I think this year we're going to put a big bow down at the bottom. I don't necessarily like or have to have something in every corner. That's just us, or just me. When Curtis gets home, I may find that I have a differing opinion, but oh well, I did this while he was at work today, and he's not here to weigh in on this. So, such is life. We'll live with whatever I decide this year. But with that said, we just simply cut the ribbon, hold it down here to see how big of bow we're going to want. I just do a simple twist bow here because, again, it's nothing. It's just a quick, cheap way of adding a little extra embellishment. What I could have done too is just used this as almost like a rickrack all the way around. Had I chosen to do that, maybe that's what I should do instead, because I have enough that I could definitely get around and get to each corner. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Is do that instead. So I'm going to drop off video again for just a few minutes, get this stapled up, get this done, and then I'll give you an idea of what it looks like with finished product. The one thing I didn't show you is we did buy these cheap, again, Dollar Tree 4x6 picture frames. They've got a nice little easel. It's just a plastic piece in here. I don't think it's actual glass. Oh, it says glass. So it's actually got a glass, piece of glass in there, along with a nice little black plastic frame. Very basic. But again, it's our gift to the folks that show up to our Halloween party. So it comes out of our pockets. We're not sponsored. No one gives us any money for this. And so it's just something to kind of remember the day, remember the party. So let me figure out what I'm going to do with this ribbon. I'll get this down. I don't want you to have to hold your ears and go, why didn't he mute the video? He didn't mute the video because he doesn't know how yet, but we will figure that out one day. But until then, with the magic of television, I'm going to jump back off and let me finish this up, and I'll come back and show you the final product. All right, folks, and with the magic of YouTube, here is the final selfie frame for 2023. Woo! Celebrate. So with that said, again, it's just something fun, something reasonable. We have used this frame now for several years, for several different parties. We just staple to it, with a heavy-duty stapler, pull them out at the end of the party. We throw all this stuff away. Don't even try to keep it, because we want something different each year in that. And we just want something fun, something folks can say, wow, we had a good time at their house. We remember what they did for us, blah, blah, blah. So with that said, thanks for dropping into Guys Craft 2. My name is John. Any other ideas and things that you've got that we might want to try or look at for some of our upcoming parties? We do a cookie exchange Christmas party. We have a neighborhood open house. We do a lot of different things. We like to entertain. So we like to try and display different things around our crafting and that. So if you have some ideas and things that have worked for you, please, please, please share those. If you like today's video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to be notified next time we post something new, hit that bell button so you'll be notified. But with that said, we appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed to our channel. Just so blessed, so excited. Have no idea when we started this just about 3 months ago how many subscribers we would end up with and that our channel would grow so fast. But with that said, we appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, happy crafting.